So, if you have ever wanted your own private ChatGPT that runs completely offline, doesn't send your data anywhere, and costs nothing, Open WebUI is probably the best tool for that. The problem is, it builds by developers for developers. Most tutorial involves terminal commands, environment setup, the whole 9 yards. So in this video, I'm skipping all of that. I will show you the desktop version of Open WebUI, no command lines required, and by the end of this video, you will have it running locally on your computer with a real AI model inside it. So let's get started. Okay, now what we need to do is we have to install OpenUI on our desktop. So best way to download OpenUI on your desktop is to search Open WebUI desktop on your browser. So just search alpha, and this is the GitHub repo which you can access. So these people who created this GitHub repository makes WebUI desktop easy to install. So earlier you have to toggle with different terminals, you have to toggle with the different commands, you have to manage it. It was basically hard to install. Now, but with the one GitHub repo, you can directly install this Open WebUI on your desktop. So one thing you have to remember is you always install Open WebUI latest version. So come on to this URL. I will give this URL in the description if you don't find this GitHub repository. Then you have to come to this section called downloads, where you will find different platforms and representing their installers. So right now I'm using the Windows 64 bits, so I can download this. But if you are using Linux or MacBook or Apple Silicon, you can download the OpenUI on your desktop. So I have already downloaded. Just to show you, I will just click on here and it will start downloading. So there we are. So this is how it looks like. So you have to just simply click on it and click on the Open Web UI. So it will install that on your desktop, and this is the interface basically which you can access. So right now I have already connected the Quint model because I wanted to test this Open Web UI before I make video. So I have already connected. I will show you how you can install a model through Olama. It's a little bit complicated. I will just make sure that you get a better understanding. So yeah, this is the web UI of Open Web UI. In the left panel we have connections. You can see what are the connections is going on. Then we have this Open Web UI navigation bar. Then in that we have new chat, search, notes, and as well as workspace. If you want to create workspaces, you can do that as well. Now then we have this in the center. We can basically chat with our model, and from here you can select what kind of model you want. And then one thing which I like about is dictate. I can basically audio speak to prompt. So when I click, it will transcript that audio into text, and I don't need to type in this. So that's what I like about. And it has voice mode as well. It's very similar to ChatGPT, and as you can see with the UI, it's very similar to ChatGPT. And you have temporary chat, then we have controls, the Steam chat response. You basically can control a lot of things here. Now let's move to these settings. In the settings, you have general, Open Web UI, and there we are. This is a HTTP localhost URL. When you open this, it will take you to the web. Now what's the advantages of this is once you have a domain or you can host, you can basically access through cloud. You don't need to run your system. So that's the advantage of it. You can basically connect with your domain and access in your mobile or anywhere. But make sure you have turned on your desktop so he can run. So I have already connected Quen 3, a 1.7 billion parameter model. So just to test it out. Now to install a model, you cannot directly install over here. So what you need to do is you have to go to browser, search for Olama, and this is the application you have to download after the web UI. So what it is, Open is basically a marketplace for different models. Like you can access a lot of different open source models like GLM 5.2. That's a flagship model if you want to install, and if you have more than 1 terabytes of size on your computer and more than 3 GPU of 5090, then you can easily run this model, I guess. So I'm not sure how many GPU will be needing to run this model, but yeah, this is open source. You can run on your system. You don't need to pay a single penny. Then we have Chemiki 3, which is best model right now Then we have newest claim. Basically it's like you can access a lot of big models and as well as some short models like Quen 3.5, which has like 2 billion parameters as well as 122 billion parameters. You can download based on your configurations. So for now, I'll be choosing the Quen which I have downloaded earlier. So before choosing that, what you need to do is you have to download the Olama on your system. So come to this website and download this on your system. Just simply click on it and it will start installing. So you have this three option. You can install in Mac OS, Linux, Windows. So you have to just simply click on the download button and it start downloading. So I have already downloaded this, so you don't need to wait for till this downloaded. So I have already downloaded it. Just simply click on this open button and it will start. It will ask you to install. I have already installed, so you don't need to wait for that too. It takes a few seconds to install. So yeah, just simply click on it and then we have this interface. And here there are some launches, settings. Once you connected the model, you can launch codecs or Cloud Code, harness engine, OpenClaw, and different harnesses you can run it on it. Now to install model, by default it gives you Gima 4, but if you don't want to install that, what you can do is go to again to the Olama website, go to models and then select whatever model you like. Let's say this is, let me just find the smallest model here. Just give me a second. That's embedding Gima. Let's suppose you want to install this. So once this is the readings you can read. So if you scroll down, this is the model embedding latest and the size you can watch here is 622 MB and they have given this latest model as well. So copy this. You have to just copy and go to your files where you have downloaded Olama and different things. Just open the path and type CMD and then paste this embedding Gamma 3mm and then hit enter. Okay, I guess I have added a wrong command. Let me just go back and this is a CLI command. Sorry for that. Or you can just open and you can copy this command and go to terminal and run this terminal again, basically command again, and it will pull that model here. So yeah, I don't need to install because I have already downloaded this model Quen 3 of 1.7 billion parameter. So once it's installed, you have to go to here and first it will not show any model because you haven't installed any model. Once it gets successfully installed on your system, now you will see there is an icon of your model. So you have to just select that and just type any prompt. So it will process that prompt, give an answer, and that's how you can access your model. It's like building your own ChatGPT. Now you don't need to worry about your data, about your security. You can just run on your own computer. The all data which you are going to process will be staying on your system. You can basically fine-tune this model based on your needs as well, and it's a very easy. If you want a tutorial on that, you can just comment. I will try to make a video for that. So let me just see what he is doing. He is exporting file create automation, view result from create automation. So it's about what art 5 creative things I could do with my kids art. I don't want to throw them away, but it's also much cluttered. So still he is explored and he's right now thinking, and now he is giving me the answer. So basically it is running on my computer and using my compute power. There we are. So there is an error, I guess, but he responded me very well. So response, hello, how I can assist you today. So basically you can run. Now if you want to basically access them on the web through your local URL, so you have to go to in the bottom, go to settings, and from there open WebUI, and here you can see there is a running instant option, and then you can just simply click on this URL, or you can say localhost ID, and it will take you to on the web. Now from here you can select your model, you can just type hello and it will give you the answer. So that's how you can basically create your own ChatGPT for yourself, which you can customize, you can run for free. So it's very easy to run that. So I hope you find this video helpful. Then subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any suggestion for new videos, just let us know. Thanks for watching.